Today we have a 2011 E550. We'll be replacing the idler pulley as well as the belt. Alright y'all, so in order to replace the idle pulley as well as the drive belt, first you're going to need to remove the top cover that was here, just pop it up, and then remove the intake hoses. All you have to do is just pull back, as well as there's a clip here that you push down. It will come straight out. So when you get to this point, you will first need to remove the drive belt, obviously. So the tensioner is located right there, and right under it will be a 17 millimeter bolt that's attached to the tensioner. So let's see if I can get a good view. So if you look at this mirror, located right there. So just use a 17 millimeter socket and pull back or into the counterclockwise position to release the tension and pull off the belt. So we're going to go ahead and do that and get this belt off. As you can see, we removed the drive belt so. So now we're going to remove the idle pulley, which is located right here. Using an E12 socket, we're just going to go ahead and unscrew this, take it off, and put the new one in. So we now have the idle pulley removed, as you can see, it's right here. We have our new one right here. As you can see, it looks a lot better than this one. It's kind of torn apart. So we're going to go ahead and just hand screw this in at first, just to get the threading correct. And then once we do that, we're going to tighten it down snug and get the new drive belt installed. So the new idle pulley is installed, snug fit, rotating freely. So we're now going to put in our new drive belt. We will have to wrap around the alternator, around up to here, to this pulley, back down. I guess if you just look it up or kind of look at the beginning of this video to see the exact orientation, then instead of me describing it, I'll have a better way of putting it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in, as well as putting it all the way around until we get about here. Once it's here, we'll release the tension on the tensioner and then slide this on top. Alright, so as you can see, I have the drive belt semi-fully installed, and you can kind of see the orientation it is at for your own knowledge, if you don't have to look up anything. So now that it's here in this position, I'm going to release the tension on the tensioner and pull the belt right here onto the idle pulley. So from there, it'll be done. So let's go ahead and get that 17 millimeter socket and wrench and relieve that tension so we can pull this up. Alright, as you can see, we have the new drive belt installed, the tension pulley installed as well. Everything looks good. So we're just going to go ahead and put the air intake hoses on, put the cover back on, and we'll be done to start her up. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.